NovaMaker 3.0.1 Function and Usage Introduction. Open NovaMaker. The printer setting option will pop up. Select the corresponding printer and click OK. NovaMaker 3.0.1 is mainly divided into three sections: Print Setting, Print Fleet Control, Print Timeline. The entire UI interface layout is simpler than the previous version. The first section is Print Setting. From left to right, they are File, Copy, Mirror, Scale, Move, Rotate, Hollowing, Dig Hole, Put on the Plate, Support Setting, Auto Layout, Slice Setting, Slice Out. On the right is the file list. Now we will explain these functions one by one. File. Click File, select the file that needs to be sliced and import it. The speed of model import and repair is significantly optimized compared to before. Copy. Select the model and click Copy to copy the model, or use Ctrl+C+V to do this. Mirror. Select the model and click Mirror. It will be mirrored along the X+Y+Z axis. Scale. You can use the zoom in and zoom out keys to get the right size, or you can manually enter the size you want to print. Move. You can move it along the XYZ axis, or select the model and hold down the left mouse button to drag it. Rotate. Select Rotate to adjust the angle to adjust the model to a suitable angle. Hollowing. Select Hollowing, set the corresponding wall thickness greater than or equal to 2 mm, and printing accuracy to automatically hollow out. Drag the progress bar to view the hollowing effect. Dig Hole. Set the diameter and depth of the hole, confirm the location, and click OK. Put on the plate allows the model to quickly stick to the bottom or upwards. Here the model has already selected the angle. Support settings are mainly divided into auto-generate supports and manual editing supports. According to the model's size, you can set thin, medium, and thick support in the support tree type. Click Auto-Generate Supports and NovaMaker will generate support for you. Confirm support settings. You can also manually set the suitable supports. The minimum support contact point is optimized from 0.4 mm to 0.26 mm. Auto Layout. Select the model and click Auto Layout. NovaMaker will automatically place the model in the appropriate position. Slice Setting. The new version adds transition layer quantity in the slice setting, which reduces the risk of model delamination. What's more, version 3.0.1 optimizes the lifting speed and lowering speed from the initial 120 mm per minute can be accelerated to 360 mm per minute, which can greatly shorten the printing time. This printing uses tough washable resin. Next, set the printing parameters and save it. You can refer to the table above to set the corresponding printing parameters according to the resin used. Slice Out. The last step is to slice out. Click Slice Out, modify the file name and choose to save the slice file. The second section is Print Fleet Control. After connecting the printer to Wi-Fi, click Add New Printer and enter the printer IP address and click OK. The left part is the printer management list, which can connect and control multiple printers at the same time. The middle position, Print Files, will display the internal files stored in the printer. On the right, you can see a preview of the print file. The areas below are platform control and basic information of print files. Find an idle machine and click to upload files. Select the CWS file you want to print and open it. Wait for the blue progress bar at the bottom to finish loading. Find the file and click to start printing. The third section is Print Timeline. The Print Timeline section can view the current status of the printer, the number of print tasks, printing progress, and printing duration.